Hello students, today we will learn how to work with templates. So in our previous two classes we have already learned how to add styles to a document, and in second class we have already learned how to add graphics objects in a document, like inserting images, modifying images, inserting clipart, inserting image from scanner, inserting any particular shapes, etc. Okay. So today we will learn how to work with templates. So first, for that we have to know what is template. A template is a predefined layout that contains sample contents, themes, colors, font styles, background styles, etc. Okay. So it gives an initial foundation to create a document. By using a template we can quickly create a new document. For example, suppose if we want to create a business letter, we can use a business letter template, so that we can only modify the required sections to make it or to type that particular letter very quickly. Okay. So how can we use the built-in templates? To use built-in templates we have to follow few steps. What are those steps? First, we have to click on the new option on the file tab. A gallery of templates will be displayed as shown in that given figure. Now you have to click on the sample template option. Okay, what you have to do now? You have to click on the sample templates option under the available templates. So whenever you are clicking on the sample templates option, the selected required template, then a list of required inbuilt template will be shown. Now you have to select the required template from that sample templates box, where you can find the preview of the selected template in the preview pane present on the extreme right of the window. As you can see in that right side image, the selected template is having a preview of itself on the right side panel. Okay. Now you have to select the template radio button in the preview pane and click on the create button. Okay. So whenever you are clicking on the create button, a new document with that particular template will be created. You can also choose from a wide range of many other templates present under the office.com template section. Okay. So how can you apply that or get that? To choose a template from office.com, you have to click on the template category, say event, to open a gallery of templates. Now you have to select that required category from the gallery, and then you have to click on the download button in the preview pane. Now you can use the downloaded template to create your document. So to use the templates that are available under office.com templates, you must have an internet connection on your computer. Okay. Next is creating a template. How can you create a template? A template can be created in Word by saving a document as .docx or .dot file. Okay. So .docx or .dot file are the two extension of templates. There are basically two ways of creating a template. What are those two ways? First one is using a blank template, and second one is using an existing template. So let us discuss about the first one, using a blank template. To create with a blank template, we have to follow few steps. First, we have to click on the new option in the file tab. By default, the blank document option is selected. We have to click on the create button that is present on the extreme right task panel. Okay. Next, a new document will open. You have to make the desired changes in that page layout, like margin settings, orientation, font styles, header and footer, date and time, page number, etc. And after specifying all the required settings, you have to click on the save as option in the file tab. Okay. So you have to click on the file tab, then you have to select the save as option. After selecting the save as option, whenever you are clicking on the save as option, the save as dialog box will appear. There you have to specify the name for the template, and specify the name for the template in the file name text box, and you have to select the word template in the save as type list box. Okay, so how can, in which type you want to save the document? In word template. Okay, now you have to click on the save button. Whenever you are clicking on the save button, that file will be saved with the typed file name and the extension of dot or dotx. Okay. Next, updating an existing template. How can you update an existing template? To create a template using an existing template, we have to follow few steps. First, you have to click on the new option in the file tab. Whenever you are clicking that, a gallery of templates will be displayed. Now you have to click on the new from existing option present under the available template section. The new from existing document dialog box will appear. Now you have to locate and select the template of the document or the document that we want to use as our base of the new template. Next, you have to click on the create new button. Whenever we are clicking on the create new button, a new document will be displayed containing the settings of the chosen base template. Okay, now you have to make the necessary changes, and then again you have to click on the save as option in the file tab. Next, again we have to specify the name in the file name text box of the save as dialog box, and again we have to select the save as type as MS Word template or Word template. Okay, and then we have to click on the save button. Next is using a template. How can we use a template? When we create a new document in Word, a default template called normal.dotm is always associated with it. Okay, so how we can, though the normal.dotm is always associated with a blank document, we can change or select our own template with the document while creating a new document. Okay, so how can we use those templates? To create a new document, first we have to click on the file tab, then we have to click on the new option. The backstage view opens with a list of available templates. Okay, now we have to click on the my templates option as shown in that given figure, in the top figure. Okay, now we have to browse through the list of templates that is created by us, and we have to select the one which we want to create a new document. Okay. Next, we have to make sure that the document option is selected in the create new section of the new dialog box. Now we have to click on the OK button. Whenever we are clicking on the OK button, a new document based on your own template will be created. Okay, so next is attaching a template to a document. How can we attach a template to a document? Suppose we have created a document in Word base on a particular template. Okay, now later if we want to change that attached template, we can also do that by using the add-ins available for the MS Word. Okay, so what are the add-ins? Add-ins are the additional programs that are used to extend the capabilities of MS Word by adding custom commands and specialized features. Okay, so how can we use these add-ins? To use those add-ins, we have to click on the file tab, then the options command. The Word options window opens. Now we have to click on the add-ins options in the left pane. Okay, as you can see in the bottom picture, you have to select the add-ins from the left pane. Now we have to click on the drop down arrow of the manage option at the bottom, and we have to select the template option. Then we have to click on the go button. Whenever we are clicking on the go button, the templates and add-ins dialog box opens as shown in the given figure. Okay, in the next page figure, in this figure. Okay, this is the templates and add-ins dialog box. The template associated with the current document is displayed in the text box under the document template section. Okay, you can see that. Now to change it, we have to click on the attach button. Whenever we are clicking on the attach button, the attach template dialog box appears. You can see the image at the right side. the figure number 3.8. This is the attached template dialog box. Whenever the attached template dialog box appears, we have to locate the desired template file and click on the open button. Okay, and whenever we are clicking on the open button, the path to the selected template will be reflected in the text box under the document template section. Now we have to select the automatically update document styles checkbox, and then we have to click on the OK button. So whenever we are clicking on the OK button, what happens? The new template will be attached to our document. Okay. So attaching, we have to remember one thing, that attaching a template does not merge any text or graphics stored in the template. Only the styles are merged into our document. What does that mean? That means, suppose one of your template, you have attached any template to a document, and that document contains various images and text. Okay, now you are copying that style or that template to a other document. Whenever you are attaching that particular template to a new document, only the styles will be gets applied to the new document, not the image or the text. Okay, only the styles will be merged into the new document. Okay, so these are the various functions of templates or the working with the templates. So listen to the video properly, read your book carefully. We will meet in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.